Namaste everyone. Today we will see the procedure of Akshitarpana. Here for Akshitarpana, today we have selected the patient who has met with an accident which caused him the sixth nerve palsy, which made him, because of which he has developed some refractory errors in his eyes. So now we have prepared him mentally and physically to undergo this Akshitarpana. So for this, you need to select the medicine based on the dosha and his prakriti. Then we need to prepare a wall of this dough prepared with the masha flour. Then once you just see that it is not leaking from any of the sides, then take the appropriate medicine. Here in this case, we have selected Jivantadi Grita and slightly warm it. Especially, you may have to do some indirect heating, not direct heating. Here, we have taken the pan um, in a vessel filled with water, and again we have taken one more bowl to make it slightly warm. So this warmth has to be felt by the doctor first. Once he feels this is perfect temperature to give it to the patient, we can pour it gently on his eyes. Once the bridge is filled with the medicine, you can ask the patient gradually to open his eyes. This may look initially weird, but the person who is receiving the therapy will really feel very soothing effect. He needs to keep doing the eye exercises like opening and closing and rotating the eyeball to different angles. So once you see that the temperature of the ghrita or the medicine is coming down to a normal room temperature, then it is important to take out all the medicine by using the cotton, because if temperature goes down, then there will be the risk of you know uh, solidification of the ghata. So again, person may feel more sticky uh, thing in his eyes. So you need to take out all the medicine from his eyeballs by using the cotton. Again, you can warm it up. Then you can use it again to pour in the eyes. So this we can repeat up to 4 to 5 times, and thereafter we can take out the dough, and person can relax for some more time.